All of you, good evening. This is Rudra. Today concept fundamental rights. Mainly this fundamental rights, 12 to 35 articles, mainly about the fundamental rights. In this is the part 1. In overall concept fundamental rights, 3 parts are divided. In my video purpose, Article 12 defines the term of state. Article 13, laws inconsistent with or integration of the fundamental rights. Article 14, equality before the law. Equality before law. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16, equality opportunity in matter of public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 18, abolition of titles. Thank you for the watching.